House Refurbishment Alquería by Arquitectura y Urbanismo in Valencia, Spain. The project involves the rehabilitation and renovation of a house located in Valencia, in a resilient area such as the orchard. Lorda, the building object of this rehabilitation dates from the late 19th century, although there are elements that are part of the set that is declared BRL, Bienes de Relevancia Local, assets of local relevance, which are from the 13th century. If there is something characteristic of this house, at least in its facades and most visible elements from the orchard, is that its walls are built with exposed stone. It has a distinct character from the rest of the complex, and that has been preserved from the beginning of our project. The objective of the rehabilitation is to maintain the spirit of the orchard house by enhancing its most characteristic traditional elements, incorporating contemporary elements to achieve the comfort of the house, making an intervention that aims to be sensitive and respectful of the historical value of the pre-existences, and at the same time wants to ensure the quality of the habitat, based on a good bioclimatic design, and with ecological and energy efficiency criteria. The house's interior layout is adapted to the current needs of its inhabitants, establishing a comprehensive program of current and functional housing without sacrificing its original essence. Spaces are clearly defined, but they are also more open and bright. In the house, there were several challenges to solve due to the poor state of conservation of one of the wings of the building, which forced the replacement of some enclosures by the current ones, but incorporating finishes that were respectful of the original parts of the building. The high level of humidity in the existing buildings in the orchard has necessitated the installation of several passive controls, drying, and aeration systems to mitigate it. Water treatment is essential in this type of housing because it requires compliance with the water cycle without affecting the environment. The courtyard takes center stage and life and becomes a focal point where the main spaces of the house overturn on it. We have designed the dwelling for a new guest of the orchard, so that it does not suffer from the shortcomings that often suffer these homes, such as the lack of insulation, the absence of air conditioning, and high humidity. It will also have the same amenities and comfort in the house as those who live in a single-family house or a current residential building, but with a much higher quality of life and landscape, cultural, and environmental values, as they are located in the middle of the orchard.